Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you must be fit and perfectly fine. Today, we will learn about a new computer network. So, let's get started. What is a network? A computer network is a system in which two or more computers are connected to each other. It is a group of computers that are linked together through a communication channel. These computers share information and other resources. A computer network may also include peripheral devices such as printer, scanner, webcam, speakers, headphones, and microphones. All the computer devices are called host or end system. Host sending requests are called client while host receiving requests are called servers. Now I will discuss of computer networks. Mainly we are having four types of networks: PAN, LAN, MAN and WAN. PAN stands for Personal Area Network, connects electronic devices within a user's immediate area. The size of a PAN ranges from a few centimeters to few meters. One of the most common real-world example of PAN is the connection between a Bluetooth earpiece and a smartphone. PAN can also connect laptop, tablets, printers, keyboards, and other computerized devices. LAN stands for Local Area Network. It is a group of network devices that allow communication between various connected devices. Private ownership has control over the local area network rather than the public. LAN has a short propagation delay than MAN as well as WAN. It covers smallest areas such as college. So, then comes to MAN. It stands for Metropolitan Area Network. It covers the largest area than LAN such as small towns, cities, etc. WAN stands for Wide Area Network. It covers a large area than LAN as well as MAN such as country and continent, etc. WAN is expensive and should or might not be owned by any one organization. PSTN or satellite medium is used for wide area networks. Now let's come to know about important feature of LAN MAN WAN, and that is, let's come to know the differences between LAN, MAN and WAN. The geographical area covered by LAN is small, whereas MAN covers relatively large and WAN covers the greatest of all. LAN is confined to schools, hospitals or buildings, whereas MAN connects small towns or cities, and on the other hand WAN covers country or a group of countries. Let's learn about an important feature of WAN, that is internet. The internet has emerged a boon for us. The internet is a worldwide network of computers that connect millions of devices. It is used for different purposes such as sending and receiving emails, file transfer, and online chatting. www World Wide Web is a collection of websites available on the internet. It is an information sharing platform that allows you to share information in the form of text, document, images, audio, video, etc. So there are some important facts about internet. Did you know Internet was invented by ARPANET in 1983. Internet is controlled by 75 million servers. 30,000 websites are hacked every day. Tim Berners-Lee was knighted by Queen Elizabeth, such a great honor. According to Google, Internet consists of 5 million terabytes of data. Microsoft has more servers than Google. Microsoft owns over 1 million servers while Google has 900,000. Backbone of Internet is made by 550,000 miles of underwater cable. Network devices. The devices which are used for communication between different hardwares used in the computer network are known as network devices. In a computer network, each network device plays a key role based on their functionality and also works for different purposes at different segments. There are different types of network devices used in a computer network, and these network devices all together plays a very important role. So first is network hub, network switch, modem, router, bridge, and internal network. Now, a very important feature is network security. Network security is the process of taking preventive measures to protect the underlying networking infrastructure from unauthorized access, misuse, malfunction, modification, destruction, or improper disclosure. Now, threats to network security. A number of online threats can target and misuse your data and network infrastructure, including its hardware and software components. Some of the common threats to your computer are viruses, worms, and Trojan horses. Viruses, these are the programs specially designed to attack your computer system and disrupt its normal function. Spyware and adware. A spyware is a malicious application designed to spy on your computer, and an adware constantly displays unwanted advertisement materials on your monitor. Then it's hacking. Hacking involves gaining an unauthorized access to your confidential information. Pop-ups, ads, banner, coupons, etc. are the example of adware, viruses, and hacking. These are really dangerous for the security of networks. We have to find out some solutions. So these security solutions which can protect the computers are antivirus and anti-spyware, firewall, and VPNs, virtual private networks. So let's recollect. A computer network is made up of series of devices that can share information and other resources. There are different types of network like LAN, MAN, WAN. Network security refers to set of policies and procedure implemented to protect the network from online threats. So I hope students you must understood the computer network concepts. Thank you.